Welcome to episode number 85. Hi everyone, this is Sangeeta here. Hope you all are doing great in your life and welcome back to another episode of Rise of Inspiration with Sangeeta. I'm a mindfulness and motivation wizard and an NLP practitioner. This podcast is all about helping you to get your life to the second level and to take one step towards your success. Click on any episode and I'm sure your life will not be the same. Today in this episode, we are gonna see why adults and the children in today's generation need to exercise and play. Yesterday's response was awesome. Thank you so much for all the response that you all have given me. If you are new to this podcast, my mission is to create people believe in themselves and accept themselves the way they are. My core value is that I am a self-motivated person and I want every individual in this earth to be self-motivated. Hashtag remove your label is my mission through this podcast. I have learned from my life that only one good thing: do good and spread happiness across the world. Let's dive into today's episode. Oftentimes, when children return from playing, they look quite exhausted and ready for a nap. This is the most accurate description and also often unquite the truth as playing is hard work. It's exhaustive to the mind and body of a child. And it's play a very important role in helping them to become productive and healthy. Why it is so necessary in today's technological world when we see people not only the parents but also children are engrossed into technology. It's good to learn, but yes, your physical body needs to be at a proper way. The role of play and exercise in the life of young children will provide them for the several benefits. Exercise of the body is very important part of keeping a young body fit and as it grow into an adult body. Once we reach to the adulthood, if we have had a benefit of exercise and play, we all tend to continue that habit. Well, I have a beautiful habit of doing dance. I dance a lot. It was habit from my childhood till date. I do not want any day to be missed out. So I love dancing. This is the same way you can also have your own play time. Play is also a good in a form of participating in organizing sports or coordinating with a playtime and become a member of a large group during all of their types of activities. Playing on this level will teach them how to interact with the peer, how to manage the team. Team management will be learned very quickly. It will also make them to perform as a team with other fellow players and also respect them. In today's business world, the skills are essential and the skills are really essential. When we learn to play, we know how body language, coping skill, the interaction of the mind and the body during our interaction with others is valuable. When we learn the skill to the fullest, not only we will learn how to get along with others, but we will also learn how to interact better with ourselves. Although interacting with others seems like a rather pointless exercise, it is actually an important point of maintaining the best scene of health and wellness. There will always be a time when our body are trying to tell us things about our physical and mental conditions, which we simply refuse to listen. Though exercise and play, we will also learn what are the limitations as both physical and mental health. At times of play, you will see people and you will see children and young adults push themselves to their limits and beyonds. As children, we are all more capable to distinguish between a real limit versus what society itself call our limit. For children and young adults, the pressure of world don't affect them near as much as it does for adults. Children have a much better state of mind and peace unlike adults that have let the outside influence the body and the mind, which will do little more than becoming a dominant factor of times. As you can tell, the benefit that are gained from exercise and playtime as children will benefit us for the rest of their life. As adult, we all have forgotten this thing. So today's task for all those amazing listeners that have the hobby which you had a play, it can be something like playing cricket, playing football, any play which has a physical activity involved in it. Normally, we want to rush children into a daily responsibility like studying hard, working towards it, but we are really forgetting that their age they need to play and interaction for their young minds. So respect that and do this good deed. If you loved this episode, do share with your loved ones and family members and friends, and also do share comments that what are your key learnings and what you will make your children to be more productive in terms of play and exercise. If you're listening in YouTube channel, do mention into the comment below that what are your key learnings. Please give your valuable feedbacks so that I can make much of improvement in my content. And also, if you want to listen something else related to health, do ask caution in the comments below. I am happy to help you out there. Hope you all enjoyed it. Bye bye. Take care. Have a nice day.